Hi everyone, I am Cesar Alvites, I'm PhD student at the University of Molise and University of Tusha. Today I will present my recent work entitled A Stepwise Approach for Deriving Timber Assortments of Trees from Terrestrial Laser Scanning Data. This study introduces a step-by-step approach for quantifying and classifying the timber assortments of standing trees using TLS data in a mixed and Mediterranean forest. The collected TLS data were preprocessed using a Leica geosystem software and Opal's ICP module. The timber leaf discrimination of points were made using a random forest algorithm. The stem detection and the stem reconstruction were performed using a cylinder fitting approach implemented in Opal's DBH module. The quantification and classification of predicted log were made using a mathematical equation implemented in R. We detected the 84% of observed trees. The 77% of the observed trees were reconstructed. More than 75% of log derived for reconstructed trees were quantified and classified. This study represents the first step for valorizing the timber resources of standing trees. The main hindering factor affecting the timber assortment assessment were the trunk defects, stem form, trees poorly covered by points. For more detail, please contact me.